Hey everybody, it's Roy here from MarvelCode12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here with a super quick video on the Nothing Phone 3. For those of you who don't know me well, I was a military brat growing up, which means I had a lot of opportunities that most kids in the United States don't get. I was able to grow up all over the world and was able to experience things that most kids here in the United States don't get an opportunity to do. One of those things was how to tell time the correct way, which is with 24-hour time. For whatever reason, here in the US, we use 12-hour time instead of 24-hour time. Another thing we do wrong, we don't spell words the same way as the rest of the world. Here in settings, you can see a perfect example with the word customization. In the US, we spell it with a Z instead of an S. Go into customization, you can also see colors. That's another word that we spell differently. Here in the US, we spell it without the U. Going to your home screen again, you can add a widget and then add a clock, and you can see the analog is spelled differently. Here in the US, it'd be spelled A-N-A-L-O-G, and it drops the U-E. There's also a couple of other differences. I got some package deliveries from Amazon, and it said my parcel had been delivered instead of my package. Now, none of that is bad, and none of it is all that weird, because it's what I grew up with. However, there are people out there, especially here in the US, that may be confused by the differences in the spellings and the localizations and things like that. The good news is, it's a super easy fix, or a super easy change. I don't want to necessarily say fix, because it's not really a fix, it's just a change in perception and from where you're at. But if you go into your settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to System, hit Languages, and you'll see that the system language defaults to English United Kingdom. Typically when you get these devices here in the US, they would be localized and it would say English United States instead. The good news, it's a super easy change. You just add a language. Third option there was English United States. You're just gonna scroll that one up like that. It's gonna change your system language to English United States. If you don't want the other one on there, you can go ahead and you can hit this option up here up top, hit remove, select English United Kingdom, and then you can remove it. If you have another language you want to add, you can add it there as well. So you can add whatever languages you want in here. They're all supported, they're all out there. It's just a matter of finding the right one and realizing that you need to change it. So like I said, super easy process, changes the time, changes the words customization. If you go in there, you'll actually see that it's spelled the Americanized way now, so you got customization with a Z. You'll see colors as colors without the U. You may see a few places where it doesn't update completely because the localization doesn't apply to that specific app. You will see it here in the clock widget. It will still be spelled analog. That's probably because Nothing is a company that's based in the UK and that's how they spell it there. And for the most part, you'll find that things are back to your Americanized version of it, or whatever country or whatever region you're setting that up with. If you have any questions about the process or anything else you've seen, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.